Hello friends, welcome back to Kinney's Corner. Are you looking for a solution to control excess oil on your face? If yes, look at our list of face washes for oily skin to combat all the issues with oily skin. Due to excess sebum production, face skin tend to become oily, is prone to acne and suffer from whiteheads and blackheads, and cleanse it deeply. The balancing act is finding a face wash for oily skin that protects, hydrates, and keeps your pores unclogged to prevent breakouts. And here's the list of top 10 best face washes for oily skin, specially crafted for summer season. In this list, number 1 face wash is Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash. This face wash is alcohol-free, providing deep cleansing without drying out the skin. It penetrates deep into pores, helping to prevent pimples by removing excess oil and surface buildup. The cleanser contains special ingredients that soothes and condition the skin, leaving it clean, residue-free, and non-oily. Our second number face wash is Lactocalamine Face Wash. It is formulated with kaolin clay, niacinamide, and vitamin E. This face wash is designed to deeply cleanse the skin, effectively remove the dirt and impurities to prevent the formulation of pimples, blackheads, and whiteheads. Our third face wash for oily skin is Himalaya Purifying Neem Face Wash. This face wash contains a natural blend of neem and turmeric, known for their antibacterial and antifungal properties. This herbal formulation designed for oil control, spot removal, anti-acne and pimple, skin brightening, tan removal, and sun protection. With its regular use, prevent the reoccurrence of acne by tackling bacteria at root. Our next face wash is Mamaearth Oil-Free Face Wash. It's specially formulated for oily skin, enriched with apple cider vinegar and salicylic acid, ideal for acne-prone skin. The face wash effectively removes the excess oil from the skin, addressing the root cause of acne and preventing breakouts. The formula is designed to eliminate dirt and grime, unclog pores, and leaving the skin feeling clear and refreshed. On number 5 is Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. Specifically formulated for oily skin, offering effective cleansing and control over excess oil production. The formulation is enriched with green tea, known for its antioxidant properties, which helps in combating acne and reducing inflammation. With the inclusion of glycolic acid, face wash fights acne by removing dead skin cells and unclogged pores. Additionally, the presence of cellulose beads helps in removal of impurities, leaving the skin feeling clean and refreshed. This face wash is free from soap and harmful chemicals, make it suitable for sensitive skin also. Next is Simple Kind to Skin Refreshing Facial Wash. Offers gentle yet effective cleansing enriched with pro-vitamin B5, vitamin E, and pro-amino acid, delivering clear skin without stripping away natural moisture. Free from harsh chemicals, artificial perfume, colors, or dyes, making it suitable for sensitive skin. On number 7 is Cetaphil Oily Skin Cleanser. Deeply cleanses the skin, removing excess oil, dirt, and impurities while maintaining the skin's natural moisture barrier. It effectively cleanses without causing dryness or tightness to the skin. This cleanser is specifically formulated for both teenagers and adults with oily, acne-prone skin, ensuring effective yet gentle cleansing for all ages. On number 8 is Clean and Clear Foaming Face Wash. Is specially designed to cater to the need of oily skin. This gentle yet effective cleanser offers a foaming formula that deeply cleanses the pores, removing excess oil, dirt, and impurities without over-drying the skin. Its oil-free formula helps control shine and prevent breakouts, making it ideal for those with oily and acne-prone skin. The refreshing foam leaves the skin feeling clean, refreshed, and revitalized. On number 9 is the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Foaming Face Wash. Is a popular choice for achieving glowing skin. specially formulated to address uneven skin tone. This cleanser effectively brightens and revitalizes the complexion, ideal for oily skin type. Infused with rice water, a traditional Korean skincare ingredient known for its brightening properties. With regular use, it leaves the skin feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and beautifully luminous. And last on number 10 is the Derma Co face wash. Is a powerful anti-acne solution infused with 2% salicylic acid and 2% niacinamide. With salicylic acid, it exfoliates and unclogs pores, while niacinamide soothes inflammation and helps in reducing acne marks. This face wash is a potent yet gentle solution for those dealing with acne-prone skin, offering a comprehensive approach to clear and smoother skin. So friends, these are the top 10 face washes for oily skin for this summer. They are not only tailored for oily skin concerns but are also gentle and suitable for sensitive skin types. Even the teenagers who are above age of 16 years can use these face washes. So friends, I hope this information is going to be useful for you. And if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video and take care.